Welcome, viewers. Today I will be interviewing Grime from the Rotten Sex Cult.
Yes, it is I, the one who was requested for an interview and was given no chair.
She wasn't requested. She complained that I interviewed their leader and then wanted one too, so here I am.
Complain? No, complaining is not what I do. I state the obvious. I state the facts. All right, and my name is Grim, by the way.
Listen, woman.
Great
Listen,
research on me. You're gonna listen to me. When I'm talking, you fucking listen to me, okay? Little fucking shrimp.
God, this is
my time.
This is
all
just
right?
as bad as that interview with Carol the Cannibal.
Do you have any legit questions?
Yes, so how do you enjoy being in the sex cult?
This is not a sex cult. Your information is wrong. You need to reevaluate it before you speak to any more of us.
God, this woman doesn't know what she's talking about. Okay, so anyways, sorry, I farted a little bit.
Fucking done. Fuck you. Fuck you, piece of shit.
Alright guys, that was Grimy, the Rotten Sex Cult person. This place fucking sucks. All these interviews fucking suck. Alright, so I brought Grimy.
Your head's cut off.
I brought Grimy back because I had more questions. Why are you shaking your head?
Because everything you say, you're full of shit. See, the way you're smiling, you are full of shit and you're plotting. Mischievous. Continue. What is your questions?
So, anyways, this sex cult, is it fun being in?
You're a piece of shit.
Yes,
You're the biggest
I know
piece of
that.
shit.
But
There
would
is
you
no
answer?
sex cult. There is no sex cult.
I don't
Therefore, there
know.
is no answer.
When I interviewed y'all's leader, he referenced it as a cult.
Did he say sex? No.
He referenced it as a cult.
Because it's not a sex cult. There is no sex in this cult. And there is no cult.
Yeah, I had a better time interviewing Carol.
I'm sure you did. Very sure. What a great interview, guys.
She
Don't
said
come
it,
to this guy.
Great interview.
No,
I'm doing amazing. She said it live and in person.
There's nothing amazing about this. Absolutely nothing. Do you have any real questions? What is your name, by the way?
My name is Anthony.
Anthony, you need to fucking reevaluate. Yeah. This is not for you. You need to find another hobby.
Alright guys, that was Grimy on Anthony's super serious professional interviews.
There's no professional
Y'all have
here.
an amazing day, and his
Fuck your
their
day.
sex cult says
Fuck you, okay? Fuck your mother.
Stay sour.
Stay rotten.
Stay sour. Hello guys, welcome to Diabetes and You with Anthony Rotten. Today I will be showing you how to insert a insulin pump. Insulin. So I already have everything prepped. This is what the inserter looks like. You just cock it back. Find you a nice spot on your tum tiddlyumptious. Click the two buttons on the side. Press. And then you just pull the needle out.
Hey, did you tell him?
Shut up.
No, you can't forget to tell him about the... Did you stick it in yet?
Shut up.
But did you tell him all about sticking it in, though?
I said shut the fuck up. Damn. Alright guys, so that is how you put in an insulin pump. Next we'll be doing blood sugars. Next up, checking your blood sugar. You're going to take a tester strip, insert it into the device, let it fully power on. It will tell you when to apply the drop. Click the back of the lancet against finger, and then click the button on the side. You will get a healthy amount of blood, and then apply to the end of the strip. My current blood sugar is 332, which is not good. So we are going to correct it in the next part. Correcting a blood sugar, and you will press down, click on where it says BG for blood glucose, and then you are going to insert your blood sugar number. This does take just a second to get to it, guys. Bear with me. You'll click save, and then go down to the bottom where it says deliver bolus. And that is how you change a pump, check your blood sugar, and then correct it. On the next episode, we will be hiding a body. Da 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 da.